Hi and welcome to How to Find Great YouTube Videos to Watch. So, you're dying to find some great episodes to binge watch during the weekend. Now the YouTube playlist is a really great place to find the videos grouped by a specific topic. Maybe you're interested in music production videos, music gear review videos, or maybe you're interested more in DAW specific videos, maybe Logic Pro X or Bitwig Studio. Then the YouTube playlist tab on my YouTube homepage is a great place to find these videos grouped by topic. So, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's take a look at the YouTube homepage and see what kind of playlists we can see suitable for you. Right, so the first thing we want to do here is actually find my YouTube homepage. And say you're watching one of my latest videos, like this video here, how to build tension in music. You can just scroll down a little bit here and find this icon, my face here. And if you click this, it will take you to my YouTube homepage. And on this YouTube homepage you have a few different tabs. The Home tab, Videos tab, Playlists, Community, Channels and the About. First you will find my channel trailer, which is currently set to huge cinematic chords. So we learn how to make these chords like Hans Zimmer and John Williams. Below that you can find a few different predefined selected categories. First we have the Uploads category, which is all my latest uploaded videos in falling order. And below that we have the Bitwig Studio tutorials and the Logic Pro tutorials and walkthroughs playlists. And the Machina tutorials and jams. And below that we have the popular uploads video, which is basically my videos which has the most views at the moment. And we currently see two of these Apple M1 music production videos, which has around 120,000 views. Thank you! And we also have the film scoring for beginners at 90k views. Top 4 granular plugins, 90k views. Yes, there is a new granular plugins video coming out later this year. Now, if you want to find more playlists and maybe something that is more suitable for you, you can go up here to the channel homepage and enter the playlists tab. And press the all playlists and select created playlists. And here we can see all my created playlists. So we basically have a category for Apple M1 videos, we have Ableton Live 11 videos, film scoring for beginners series, and if you click one of these you get to see all the episodes contained in this specific playlist. Today I'm going to show you how you can take this really tiny small regular piano chord progression sounding like this and make it sound like this. And let's now look in the music theory lessons category. And here you can basically binge watch all my music theory videos. And we also have some other fun categories here, like how to compose for video game music and future-based tutorials, FL Studio 20 tutorials. And also the famous Bitwig Studio Basics series with all the relating episodes. And also some extra episodes that also falls in the category of Bitwig tutorials. Right, so I hope you will find some great content here on my YouTube channel, and please let me know in the comments if you have any wishes or suggestions for upcoming video episodes. Please let me know in the comments. Right, so that's all for this video on how to find great YouTube videos to watch. My name is Mattias and see you in the next video. Bye!
Jaha, var du där?